Let me show you how to get liquid glass icons on your iPhone. This requires iOS 26, so if you haven't updated, update your iPhone. Now, the first thing after you've updated your iPhone to iOS 26, we need to get into customizing. So we can either press and hold on an app, and then from here we can tap on Edit Home Screen, and you'll be able to see all the icons start jiggling. Or you can just press and hold anywhere on your iPhone that there's not an icon. Now, to get those liquid glass, we need to tap on Edit here. Let me go back, tap on Edit, and go into customizing your iPhone screen. You can see the default is here or dark mode, but let's switch over to clear. You'll see the liquid glass look and feel, and now a menu at the very bottom allows you to switch between light and dark, or auto if you want it light during the day and dark at night. Now, after we've done that, you'll be able to see I can swipe over and they all will have that look and feel. If you wanted to ever switch back to the normal and basically remove that transparency, you can always switch back to default or dark mode, depending on your specific preference and what you want the icons to look like.